everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color most beautiful cap. Let's start drawing. Now I am going to draw a beautiful cap. I hope you like it, children. Okay, it's beautiful, wow. Now I'm going to put the front of the cap on. 2 curved lines. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I will use sky blue color like this. I'll give it the same color on this side. Pink color. Wow, that's awesome! Yellow. The best color for this cap is light green. That's good. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!